Hi everyone. So GrooveMember went through some major deployments today, and I'm going to cover each and every one of them in this video. So let's first cover the main, like the dashboard and the menus here. So the initial menu was something else, like the content was combined into one menu. Now we have made the menus like this. The home is here, which will take you to the GrooveMember dashboard, and then there is memberships is the list of all the memberships, and this is the deployment that we have done, the global course library. So in the global course library you will see all the different courses that you have basically, and then we have the portals, and we have the files, we have the instructors and members and analytics. So nothing has changed in the rest of the things. The portals, files, instructors, members, they remain the same. It's just that they are now on the sidebar menu of the app. Yeah. So that's these are the changes with the appearance of the menu. Now let's go in and test out the and see the changes for the global course library. So let me create a membership first. So once we create a membership, it's like before, we get directed into this membership dashboard. From here, we can manage the courses. So what is different here now from before is that when you go to manage courses, we don't add the default course here, and you come to the screen, and from this screen, you can either create a new course or you can add a course from the library. Okay, so that's these are the two ways of adding the course. So now let's create a new course from inside the membership. Let me open another window for this. I also want to keep an eye on the course that we are adding. So let's say test GCL. And we have added something called as course category. So you can create a new course category here, or you can assign that to, by default it is always assigned to the default category. Okay, so yeah, so let's create a category. Let's give it a name. uh, Test. Save it. So now the course is created, and then it prompts me to select the course template. So I will select a course template. Just give it a name. Test course one, whatever, and then after that I save it and I go back. So when you create the course for the first time, it is always in the hidden state, which means that your course is not will not show up in the membership website. And we have done this because you always need time to, build out up the course and then make this live. So now if we see, have a look at our membership website, let's I'll come to that in a bit. So basically it's hidden now, and from here I can make this live. Okay, so and when we create the course, this is the process in which we are creating the course from inside the membership. When we do this, this also creates the course in the global course library. See, this course got created in the global course library. Okay, and the difference here is that here inside the membership, there are two statuses. One is hidden and one is live. So these are the two statuses of the courses inside the membership. And in the global course library, there are two statuses. One is draft and one is published. Okay. So every course that is inside the membership has to be manually made live. So if I make this live, then only it will be available on the membership website. So let's have a look at the membership website. Let's go to membership. Let's copy the website URL. As you can see, the course is not visible here. That is because the course is hidden. Okay. So now let's, and in the global course library, the course is draft. So now let's go ahead and make this live. So when I make this live, you see here, this draft status will become published, which means now the course is live, and in the membership site we will see the course. Now the course has come here because inside the membership it was hidden before, and now we have made this live. Okay. Now let's also create an access level. Select the course. Okay, so now we have also created an access level. Let me add a member in the access level. Okay, so I just added a member inside the access level. Now let's go out. All right, so that was the process in which I created a course from inside a membership. Now let's go to the global course library here, and now let's add a course in the global course library. So let's test GCL, and let's assign the category here and save it. Okay, so this is how I'm creating course in the global course library. And when I first create the course in the global course library, it gets added in the draft mode here. Okay, so now when a course is in draft mode, I cannot add that course inside a membership. So let's go to the membership, and now let's try to add course from the global course library. So when I open this, I won't see that specific course here. That is because this course is in draft mode. So now if I make this publish, so it has become published now. Now if I select this, add course from this thing, now you see the course is now available. So I will select this and I will add it. Okay, so that's how you add a course from a global course library to your membership. All right. So we have covered how to add a course from within a membership and how to add a course from the global course library. to a membership, right? So now one more thing is there. So if I try to add a course from the global course library, it will only show the courses that are that are in published and the courses that are not added to this specific membership. So basically test GCL COR1 and test GCL COR2 are a part of this membership. So they won't appear here anymore in the list of the courses. Okay. Now next is, okay, let's have a look at this. Uh, if I refresh this, yeah, I see both the courses are added. Great. Okay. So I'm just thinking what is the next thing. Okay, so the next thing is let's go ahead and show you the change of statuses. Okay, and the warning messages, new warning messages that we have added. So for that, let me go ahead and add a course to the success level. So this is the second course that we just added. So this course is added here. And now if you want to delete the access level, you can select this, but there will be a warning. And this warning says that X number of members, there is one member in the access level, the member that I manually added in the previous step. Um, one member will lose, X member will lose access to Y number of courses. You can't revert this action. Okay? And you have to click I understand this is irreversible, and then you go ahead and delete it. Okay? So that's the access level thing, warning. Now, if I want to remove a course from an access level, and this remove will only be available when there are more than one courses in the access level. Okay. So if I want to remove it, it will say that one member, X number of members will lose access to this course, basically. And then you have to do, I understand this action is irreversible, and delete it. Okay. Let's go and check out the statuses of the courses. So now we have the live status, and the only status available here from the membership dashboard is if I hide it. Okay, so when I want to hide it, it will say that one course is added to this course is added to an access level. Okay, so as you saw in the previous step, we have added this course to an access level. So it says all the members that are assigned to these access levels will lose access to this course. Okay, so it's a clear description that this course can be added to multiple access levels also. Let's do that. So manage access levels, and let's add one more access level. Let's select just one course. So now if I go to manage courses and if I try to hide it, it will say this course is added to two access levels. Okay, it counts the number of access levels and all the members assigned to that will lose it. Okay, the same message comes when I try to remove a course. Now, this remove option is that you are removing a course from this membership. You are not deleting it. You are just removing this course from this membership. So let's try to remove it. Okay, it still says that same warning message. The course is mapped to two access levels, and if you remove this, people will lose access immediately. Okay, so before I do this, I just want to log in to the membership that I created. So let me do that. All right, so I was given access to this access level, test AL1, and let's see what is there in that access level. So In test AL1, I have access to two courses. So that's why here I can access these two courses. All right. So now what we were going to actually, let's first, before removing, let me first demonstrate hide. So if I try to hide this, it will say that this course is added to two access levels and all the members assigned to this will lose this thing. So I understand it. Yes, hide it. So now the course is hidden. If I refresh the membership website, the course is not visible here. It is hidden. Let's go to access levels. We can see that here there is this tag here which says that this course is now hidden. It is not available to members. Let me refresh my login view and you see this member, I have lost access to this course. So that's how this works. Now, when I make this hidden here, let's see, in the dashboard, in the global course library, the status doesn't change, it is published. Yeah, this is right. Okay. So now the next thing is, let's go and make this live. As soon as I make it live in the manage access levels, this hidden tag is gone. This is available in our website. You see it's back. And it's also available to me, to the member who just lost access to the course because it was hidden. Okay. Now let's demonstrate the remove action. So the remove action is basically removing this course from this specific membership. So if I do remove, it will say the same warning that this course is mapped to these access levels and all the members who are assigned to these access levels will lose access. So let's remove it. Okay, so now the course has been removed. If I go to manage access levels, I won't see the course here. It has been removed. The test, this thing has been removed. I think there is a small bug here. Yeah, this, okay. So this access level, uh, okay, I get the bug here. So this access level is just hanging like this because there is no course inside it. So I just, this is not a bug, I would say. Um, this is a scenario that we have not handled, that what happens to the access level when there is, when we remove a course from the membership and there is just one course. So we have not handled that scenario. So I will think about it. As such, it is not going to cause any issues with for any users. So what we have done now is we have removed a course from the membership, and as a result, that test GCL core 1 should get removed from here, from the membership website, and it should also get removed from my login. All right, so this is working perfectly. Now let's go back. Let's play with the statuses here. So now see, this is a published site, right? Test GCL core 2 is published. I can change the status to make draft here. If I want to work on this membership and I think that maybe I should, change the status, so I can do make draft. This will immediately say that this course is linked to one membership. The members will lose access to this course immediately. Okay, so if I say I understand, make it draft, this becomes draft, and here this course becomes hidden. And as soon as this becomes hidden, the hidden flow kicks in the access levels. You will see that this is hidden, and in the website we won't see this anymore, right? And I will also lose access to this. Okay, so that's how this works. Now let's go back and make this. So now here's the thing. Now if I publish this, it is published, but I have to come back to each membership and then make it live manually. Okay, and the reason behind this is, let's say I have I don't want this thing. So if a course has been added to multiple memberships and I have made that course draft for some reason to make some corrections, and then after that I have published it. So as soon as I make it draft in the global course library, it becomes hidden in all other memberships, right? And then uh, let's say I have published it, and then I don't in let's say this course is there in 5 memberships, but I just want to make this course now available to 3 memberships. So and that's the reason I had actually changed it to draft. So the point being that we inside a membership, if a course is hidden, you will always have to come to that membership and make the status live manually. Okay, so publishing the course from the global course library will not change the status of the course to live inside the membership. Okay, so now it has been made live inside the membership. You go to access levels, so you can see this has been added back. If I refresh this, you can see that course has been added. And if I refresh this, you can see that the course has been added to my login as well. Okay. All right. I think I have covered pretty much everything. Just thinking if I'm missing something here or not. And the other changes that Mike suggested, like we have changed this from settings to rename. And yeah, some small UI fixes were there. For example, yeah, okay, yeah. So this button will open up this shelf, and using this shelf, we can go to either of these 3 options. We can go to the dashboard, GrooveMember dashboard. We can go to the memberships, or we can go to the courses. Okay. And here, if we go to the membership, it says manage membership. We have changed this. I think I will also update the button for the global course library. The button is different here, but I will say manage course here, similar to this button. Okay, so that is something that I will get done. And we have seen all the different warning messages. So let's do a delete here. So delete also shows this thing that the course is mapped to X number of memberships and they will lose access to it. And this delete, actually we are in the backend, we will be archiving this course because we have created a separate archive file where if even if you mistakenly delete, or like if you archive it, so we should have an archive management soon. Right now, with respect to time, we didn't get time to create a separate archive management. But then whatever we are deleting, they are getting actually archived in a different file, and then we can keep that for like 30 or 60 days, and then after that delete it permanently. Okay, but here it says that whether you want to delete or not. We can get the archive functionality or the archive interface up soon when we have time. Okay, so now the other thing is, let's go inside a membership, and let's add a course. Let's add this course. And now I can rearrange the course here with the drag handle. So let's see. This is my membership website. Okay, so this is my login and I'm logged in. That's why it's showing this thing. So let me open this on incognito. It is showing the course that I have access to and the course that I don't have access to. So let me open an incognito window. Okay, so the order is test core 2 and core 1, and I can manage that order with the drag handles here. So let me bring core 2 back. Okay, and when I do this, after that, let me refresh this. Oops. Yeah, I think, okay, this drag handle thing is not saving. Okay, so this is the bug that we have. Maybe, yeah, you see, this is not saving. Even if I use the drag handle to bring it to the back, it's not saving. So I'll get that fixed and then it will work fine. All right, so I think I have covered everything. And yeah, these are the deployments that just went live with the global course library and with the new menus here. Okay, thank you.